know, we have always been curious about what AI can do. So today, I decided to put ChatGPT to the test and ask it to cook a 3-course meal for me. But unfortunately, ChatGPT wasn't able to accept my request due to some obvious technical constraints. But ChatGPT, being the wonderful AI that it is, suggested that I try some unique recipes instead. So, I decided to give it a shot and see what ChatGPT could create. For the first course, ChatGPT suggested a delicious potato and tomato soup. Here's the recipe ChatGPT provided. Dice up the potatoes and tomatoes and sauté them in some olive oil with garlic and onions. Then, add some vegetable broth and let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. Finally, blend everything together until it is smooth and creamy. Add some salt and pepper to taste, and voila, the soup is ready. For the main course, ChatGPT suggested a dish with minced meat and rice. Here's the recipe ChatGPT provided. Boil the rice in some water and set it aside. Then, sauté the minced meat with some onions and garlic until it is browned. Next, add some diced tomatoes and let it cook until the tomatoes are soft. Finally, mix in the cooked rice and add some salt and pepper to taste. And there you have it, the main course is ready. ChatGPT really knows its stuff. And finally, for dessert, ChatGPT suggested a simple yet delightful recipe for rice pudding. Here's how to make it. Boil the rice in some milk and sugar until it is creamy and thick. Then, add some cinnamon and vanilla extract to give it some extra flavor. And last but not least, the dessert is ready. So there you have it, folks. Even though ChatGPT couldn't cook a 3-course meal for me today, it still managed to provide me with some amazing recipes that I never would have thought of on my own. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to try any of these recipes for yourself, let me know how they turn out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.